Boys, these 7 simple habits that you can do on a daily basis will help you build muscle faster. Let's hop into this. 1, weigh yourself daily. Now, yes, I'm gonna be honest, it's a little excessive, but for me, any sort of mental boost or motivation I can use to get into the gym will help me get to the closer goal of building more muscle. See, the point is that when you step on the weight, it keeps you accountable. A lot of times, similar to your finances, people like to ignore the problem even though it's happening. So for example, for me, the problem would be losing weight. I'm a hard gainer. I need to be consuming food and being at the gym constantly to keep the weight on my frame. If I know I'm losing weight, the last thing I want to do is step on the scale because it's going to bring into reality the fact that I've been lacking in some area of my life. So making it a habit of stepping on the scale daily is just that one thing that you can do to keep you accountable and make it a reality that you're either gaining too much weight or losing too much weight so you can get back into the gym. 2, go to sleep in workout clothes. Similar to the scale one, again, anything you can do to make your life easier, to motivate you to step into the gym will help you build more muscle faster, because the problem is consistency. The problem with a lot of people is sticking to their diet and sticking to their workout regimen because it becomes hard or you don't have time. One of the best hacks I like to do is going to sleep with the clothes that I'm going to go to the gym with. That way, I'm already mentally prepared the night before that I'm waking up in the morning and I'm going into the gym. And then when I do wake up in the morning, I have reduced all the friction to the point that I just have to put on my shoes and I'm out the door. 3, take your supplements. I can guarantee you right now that nobody watching this has a balanced diet. You have to see your body as a machine, and for it to grow the muscle it needs, it'll need those basic building blocks so your muscles can function, like your protein, your vitamins, your minerals. These are ingredients you should be getting from your diet, but you probably aren't, and that's where supplementation comes in. And it's easy. You should just make it a habit. I do it with our sponsor, Ritual. Ritual is a single capsule that packs all the nutrients you need for your age demographic. Now, what I love about Ritual over other competitors is that if you go on their website, they're highly traceable. In other words, you get to know exactly what's in every single capsule, every ingredient, and then it's traceable and transparent enough that you see where those ingredients are sourced from, so you know that you're giving your body top-notch ingredients, the best of the best. Now, what I love about Ritual also is that it's a subscription that gets delivered to your door. That way you're not thinking about, oh, I have to go reorder or I have to go buy it again. It's to your door every time you need it. As soon as the bottle runs out, you get a new one delivered, and that way you can keep that healthy habit. So you need to understand that you need to rewire your brain so it's accustomed to doing those healthy habits that'll get you closer to your goal. You do this for about 21 to 30 days, you're already going to be in that motion where it's going to be second nature. You're not going to easily skip it, especially given that it's so easy to implement. Now, one cool thing about the capsule for Ritual is that it's in a slow release design. In other words, it is designed to bypass the acids in your stomach so your body can absorb more of its nutrients. A lot of times when you take cheap vitamins that don't take this into consideration, a lot of the nutrients that you're consuming don't actually get absorbed by your body. Ritual does a better job of that. On top of, they're just super sustainable from the packaging to the branding to the product itself. If you want a good multivitamin or supplementation that you can add on your daily routine, boys, there's going to be a link down below, ritual.com/TMF20. If you go there and use code TMF20, you're going to get 20% off your first month. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, I want you to stretch. See, your muscles have been cramped up for 8 to 10 hours as you slept. I want you to stretch that out and loosen them up. That way it gets you prepared for your workout or for the day. On top of that, you can also even prime your muscles with simple body weight exercises like push-ups or crunches or even squats just to get some of that blood flowing through your body and feel more energized. 4, get some vitamin D. As soon as you wake up, you should be looking for that vitamin D, that natural vitamin D. It does 2 things. 1, vitamin D is essential for muscle growth. But 2, it's also good for your internal body clock. See, when you go to sleep, don't keep yourself in a dark room because it's going to keep you lazy. It's going to keep you wanting to stay in bed. As soon as that sun hits you, it's a sign to your brain and to the rest of your body that you have to wake up, and it's like a natural coffee shot. It gives you the energy you need to take on the day. 6, I want you to take a cold shower. Look, this is not some crazy, you're going to get a 6-pack if you do cold showers, but it does help with one crucial aspect, your mental toughness, your ability to do something you do not want to do, which is usually the mentality you have when it comes to dieting or going to the gym. And also, it's a natural adrenaline boost similar to the sun, which is going to keep you from having to be drinking energy drinks all day and keep your mood high. Finally takes us to number 7. I need you to drink a glass of water. Actually, I want you to drink a lot of water, as dehydration has been scientifically proven to reduce protein synthesis in the muscle. It also can increase protein breakdown, which is essentially telling you that they're going to look depleted and they're going to be weaker. You want your muscles to look fuller? Take more water. That's it for me today, boys. I'm telling you, these are 7 easy habits anybody can do to increase your muscle build. See you guys next time.